Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit products page. So simply click on products. Now here you have to select the page. Now wait for a few seconds, our page is uploading. So now here you can see our products page is available here. So simply I want to edit, like I want to add something in description. You can see all the settings available that you want to change or edit. So simply I am going to add some description here to show you an example. Like I have typed these random words here. You can also add image here. Just go to add file, go to your memory and select the file and upload it. Now wait for a few seconds. Here you can set the price. You can also select the collections. So here I am going to change the price. Now you can see we have successfully edited this page. Now click on the save button and wait for a few seconds. So here you can see our product is available here. So now open this. So here you can check we have successfully added our product page. So in this way you can easily edit product page in Shopify.